Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Mr. Yu here. Today, I'll be revising the topic on electricity, as you can see the question here. And this is the questions, and I make it more interesting. There's a catch line here. If you've seen the Maverick movie or the Top Gun, because Maverick and his wingman, right, they stole the F-14 Tomcat. So for the Tomcat to power up, they need to give it an electrical charge. So there was this catch line in the movie. Maverick was speaking to Rooster, his friend. So once I started the engine, quickly disconnect all the cable. So you can see in real life, the use of electricity is very important, as you can see in this setup here. So they say when the current is switched on, one of the bulb does not light up. So which one does not light up? If you see carefully, for a bulb to light up, both the metal casing, this part, and the metal tip must be connected to the different polarity of a battery. So there are two batteries connected in series. So you will notice that there's one bulb, this part, if you observe here, only the metal casing is connected, okay? So only the metal casing is connected. So this bulb P will not be lit. So the answer is very simple. Okay, because these questions answers on it. Explanation is not required. Okay, Ian, I'm actually doing a recording, so I request the student to turn off the video. So you just listen as to this explanation. So is bulb B. Okay, let's complete. Okay, next question, complete the circuit below such that all the three bulbs will light up. Okay, you put an instruction here, use pencil to draw neatly. So what you do is, actually, you can see, right? These two bulbs are connected in series. So if you do the series connection, okay, the step is you will connect this part first to this part, okay? And then you see this is a metal casing, this one. So this part, I join to the metal casing, this part. So this is negative, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive. So you can see these two batteries are connected in series. So how do I link these two? Okay, you can see this is metal casing, this is the metal tip. So I connect this metal tip to the metal casing, this part, and do the same thing, the metal tip to the metal casing of the other. Okay, and make a slight correction here. So for this one, I need to connect this part, the metal tip to this part. Okay. So you see there's a continuation. So the current will flow through these three bulbs. Okay, these three bulbs are connected in series. Okay, there's another way of doing it. So I screenshot this for you to take note. So this is one possible answer for this question. So this is option 1. Okay, option 2, let's erase. Option 2 will be, okay, there's another way of connecting. So let me show it to you. Let's say I use this color. Okay, the other way of connecting is I connect this. Okay, I use this part. I connect all the metal tip first with one wire here, this part. Okay, and then I link it to here, plus. And then the metal casing, right? I link it here this way, 1, 2, 3, and then join here. Okay, so this circuit here is in parallel. The three bulbs are in parallel. Okay, so I show you two possible answers. Okay, the advantage of connecting three bulbs in parallel, right? Because if one bulb fuse, the other can be lit. And the second advantage is the total brightness of the three bulbs will be brighter than the three bulbs connected in series. Okay, so there's one possible answer. Okay, let's continue. Next question. Okay, question 2 is says that wires of different thickness, so you annotate this, were connected to the points, this P and Q of the circuit shown. Each time the bulb blipped out, the brightness was compared using a scale of 1:4. So you notice the only variable is the thickness of the wire. And can you see as the thickness increases, the brightness increases? So they ask you, what is the relationship? So the relationship is very simple. So you just mentioned the thicker the wire, the brighter the bulb is. The brighter the bulb will be lit. Okay, so this is the relationship. The thicker the wire, the brighter the bulb will be lit. Okay, next, if the wire at PQ was replaced by a, okay, annotate this part, silver bracelet. So you must understand what is this silver. Okay, silver is a metal. In fact, is a very good conductor of electricity. Okay, would the bulb still light up? Of course, it's yes. And then they say, give a reason to support your answer, which I have mentioned earlier. So it's yes. So it mentions silver is a good conductor of electricity. Okay, then you must mention because it will form a closed circuit, allowing the bulb, right, to form a closed circuit. With the two batteries. Okay, so that's a reason. So mainly is this part. Okay. Silver is a very good conductor of electricity, allows the bulb to form a closed circuit with the two batteries. Okay, these two batteries here. Okay, so you'll be lit. So I screen share this. Okay, next. Okay, before that, I would send the answer to you shortly in this chat here. So there are new student here. Let me check if okay, one person, Aryan, your chat, you can't receive the file. So you must enable to receive the file. But if possible, you can take a photograph of this answer here. Okay, because the other student, they have a function to receive my file. So if you don't have this function, it's okay. You take a photograph of this. But if you find that it's okay, you can just continue with the class. Okay, you take a screenshot of this. Okay, next. Okay, you notice there's only one bulb, right? So they say, draw a parallel and a series circuit. So some students ask you, what is a parallel or a series circuit? So the only possibility is because there are two batteries here. So a parallel circuit, it means you connect the two batteries in parallel. Okay, and the bulb is here. Okay, so you just sketch this part. Okay, and then there's a switch, right? So your switch, you try to put it near to the bulb. So this part. So this is a parallel circuit. So the series one is very simple. It means the two batteries are connected in series. Okay, this part. So I've completed this first part, and then I will send, and I'll do a pause recording here. Okay, so I finished this first worksheet. So you take note, don't put the bulb at the corner, put it somewhere in the middle of the wire and the switch as well. And these are the answers for this worksheet. Okay, so the important thing is maybe perhaps is this question. There are two possibilities of connecting. And do take note, because for a bulb to lit, the metal casing and the metal tip must be connected by different polarity of the batteries. So I finished this part. So I continue the next worksheet.